Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your teacher from Earth.
And I'm Blip, your alien student. And today I feel ouch.
Oh no, Blip. What's wrong?
I think I'm sick. My antenna feels funny.
Poor Blip. Then it's a perfect time to learn English for the doctor.
Do Earth doctors fix aliens too?
Maybe. But first, let's learn how to talk when you feel sick. Okay, Blip. Let's start with some simple sentences. Repeat after me. I don't feel well. I'm sick. I have a headache. I have a stomachache. I have a cold. I have a sore throat.
I don't feel well. I'm sick. I have a headache. What is that?
A headache means pain in your head.
Oh, then I have a head and antenna ache.
That's a new one. Humans don't have antennas, but the doctor will understand. Let's imagine you're at the doctor's office. The nurse says, "What's the matter?"
I can say I'm green.
You're always green, Blip. Try, I don't feel well, or I have a headache.
I don't feel well. I have a headache. Yes, that sounds serious.
Good job. Then the doctor might say, "Let me check," or "Open your mouth."
Open my mouth? For what?
To look at your throat. Humans do that.
Oh, on my planet, doctors look in your eyes. Then your color changes.
Interesting. Earth doctors are a little less colorful. Let's practice a small conversation. Stella as the doctor. Hello, what's the matter?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a headache.
Oh no, do you have a fever?
No, I'm just shiny.
Okay, good. Open your mouth, please. You need to rest and drink water.
Water? Not galaxy juice?
Just water, please.
Okay, doctor.
Let's learn more words for when we feel sick. Repeat after me. Fever, cough, cold, sore throat, backache, toothache, tired, dizzy.
Fever, cough, cold, sore throat, backache, toothache, tired, dizzy. So many aches. Humans ache everywhere.
Yes, sometimes we do.
On my planet, if you ache, you just sleep for 3 days.
That sounds actually pretty nice. Now, what does the doctor usually say?
You need more cake.
Not exactly. Doctors say things like, take this medicine, drink lots of water, get some rest, don't eat too much junk food.
Oh, I see. So not eat cake, but take medicine.
Exactly. Careful with those words. Take medicine, not eat it like cake.
Okay, take medicine, not eat it like cake. Got it.
Let's practice together. You are the patient, and I'm the doctor. Hello, Blip. What's wrong?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a sore throat.
Oh no. Do you have a cough?
Yes, cough, cough.
Okay. You need to rest and drink warm tea.
Tea with sugar?
Yes, and maybe some honey.
Honey, bees are scary.
Oh, don't worry. You don't need to meet the bees. Let's review the words we learned today. Repeat after me. Headache, stomachache, sore throat, fever, cough, cold, medicine, rest, water, doctor, nurse, patient.
Headache, stomachache, sore throat, fever, cough, cold, medicine, rest, water, doctor, nurse, patient.
Great job!
Now I feel better already.
See? Learning English is the best medicine.
And the funniest one.
Let's practice a few sentences for our listeners. Repeat after us. I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Drink lots of water.
Drink lots of water.
Get some rest.
Get some rest.
Can I add one?
Sure. I don't like earth medicine. It tastes funny.
Good one, Blip. That's all for today's episode. Blip visits the doctor. Now you can talk about feeling sick in English.
Yes, now I can say I have a headache and people bring me soup.
That's the power of English.
Thank you, Dr. Stella.
You're welcome, Blip. And thank you, listeners. Remember, if you don't feel well, rest, drink water, and listen to more English.
See you next time, humans. Stay healthy and don't forget your antenna checkup.